Hello, this is Tom from Tile Landscaping, and we're here to solve a standing water issue. This is a very common problem. The houses are close to each other, the neighbor's home is a little higher, and they both have two downspouts emptying into this small area. We will be installing a French drain style leach field because most of the towns in our area will no longer allow us to discharge to the street. We will be installing infiltrator chambers with stone and wrapped in filter fabric. This procedure works very well in our area and gives the water a place to go underground so it can dissipate into the soil. This is a great drainage system that can be adapted to work in most yards, especially if you have a high water table. The modular design can be made as large as needed to address your water problem. So contact us if you need help with standing water or a wet spot in your yard. Thanks for watching.